Okay, Kevin, floor is yours.
Thank you, Fanny. So, as Fanny said, my name is Kevin Amill, and I'm currently the IT Director for all the AI solution at OVHcloud. So, today I'm going to show you what the team is working on and why we are doing it. We currently work at several projects dedicated to manage your data and AI in particular. Our mission here is to offer our customers a complete data science hub, allowing the exploration of the data stored on a secure cloud, the training of AI models at controlled cost, and automated production of this. So we build this vision with recognized partner in AI and ML. So, like we say, as the next industrial revolution, we are convinced that AI will taking place in all the value chain of the industry. And as an industrial partner, we must ease the access of such technology. We are an industrial partner, and we try to ease the access of AI technology. So, like I say, our main product should be AI training. But today I'm going to present you the last product the team is working on. It's AI Notebook. So AI Notebook is a convenient, easy to use and cost-effective way to address all your data science project, okay? Like it's exploring your data, making low-level data viz, exploratory statistics, and of course build AI models, whatever the framework, okay? Just a quick reminder, all the AI products are built on top of public cloud, the public cloud of OVHcloud. So we benefit from grade A standard regarding the security, the respect of your privacy, and also the sovereignty. So all the products are built on public cloud, so you benefit of all the benefits, the advantage of it, okay? The product is currently in beta, and it will be in production phase in 2 months. So, yep, let's create a notebook. Okay, you arrive here. You are in your manager at OVH Cloud, and you begin to create a notebook. Let's say. You have the choice of the editor, Jupyter or VS Code. That's the most convenient one. And you choose your framework. We have all the most successful framework, but you can also add one if you want. If you don't find your framework, you can just ask us, and we will add the framework here. So let's say I say PyTorch. Next. Here you choose the privacy setting, and you choose data center location. We currently have 2 locations, Gravelines in France and Beauharnois in Canada. And by the end of this year, we should have deployed AI notebook and training in the US. So let's say Gravelines. Yeah. And here you can choose your resources. So it's CPU, or if you need GPU, you can choose GPU. It's currently V100S, and you have the cost here. You can add up to 4 GPU to your notebook, and by the end of this year, we will have add some more flavor, like A100, and also cheaper one. So next, here you can attach an object storage and also a public Git repository. So for the object storage is quite slow, but during the initiation phase, we recopy all your data in a SafeFS cache. So after the initiation phase, the read of your data is is very improved. So for the training of your data, it improves the training phase. So. And after you see, and you have the review on what you are going to deploy. And you can note here that we have we have a CLI. I will show you that later. So after that, you will not have to access to the manager after that, because you can deploy all your solution, and all the AI solution can be deployed with the CLI. So here, I create a notebook. Yep. And it's pending. So there is a cool part, that is the CLI, and a tricky part, that is the user. Because as we are built on the public cloud of OVHcloud, you cannot access your notebook with your current manager or your current OVH login. So you have to create a user here in the OpenStack. So to access your notebook, you have to create a user in the an OpenStack user, and after that's this user that will operate all your AI solution. Okay. So the AI notebook should be ready. Yes, in services. Again, you have all the information here, and you can just click here, and you access it. So it's nothing complicated, nothing fancy. It just allow you to work and to work with your data as fast as possible. And like I say, we have a CLI. That means that after you can install the CLI that you find here, and what you have is that. After that, you can totally address all the AI solution and with that CLI, and create your notebooks, delete it, and also manage your data. You can see there is a pull data and push data that allow you to update the data during the notebook is running. So it will be the key feature. After that, you can really manage all your notebook with the CLI. Okay. So we also have an API. Let me show you that. All the solution can be addressed through this API. Actually, we have a startup, Ash Factory, that totally rebuild a platform on top of our solution on AI training and AI notebook, and they totally build a solution through this API. The guy make tremendous work with that. Okay, and that will be it. So, like I say, it's nothing complicated, nothing fancy. Just we build a solution so you can straight work with your data and build your model. So, and I want to show you two other things. We actually have a GitHub. Our roadmap is public on GitHub. So you can contribute to it and make PR on our roadmap. So you can help us to develop the product. You just can make a pull request, and we will take that in consideration. And we also have a Discord server where we can discuss, and it's actually the OVHcloud Discord server, and it allows us to discuss with our customers. Okay. And by the end, I will finish by, if you pay attention here, we have some AI apps that are coming soon. And we're currently building a marketplace that will allow our customers to access application specialized in AI and also on-shelf models. Like we say, we are in industrial phase, and now we are going to allow our customers to address models, on-shelf models, and chain it to leverage all their stream value. So let's say you need NLP, you will be able to address a pre-trained model on NLP. Okay. And that will be it. And I will finish saying that AI is just a part of the user journey, managing the user journey, managing your data at OVHcloud. You are now capable to address all the needs that you have around your data, like effective storage. We have a MongoDB offer to analytic and database. So, I think it's that. So like we say, we have a lot on your plate and a lot of surprise for you during this year. So yeah, stay tuned and give a try to the solution.
Thank you, Kevin. Now it's time. Thank you very much. I think now it's time for question. Don't hesitate. This is the time now to have a lot of response. We have all the AI team today. Yes, we have one question. Okay, I come with the mic.
Thanks. Great presentation. Great product. I have a question. How do you train your models if you have your data on object storage, and how does it work exactly?
Actually, that you link your object storage to the notebook, and like I say, after that we put all your data in a self-FS as a cache, and after it's just pop in your workspace, and you can train on your model like that.
So that I don't have to set up a gateway or...
No, nothing. You just...
what is already embedded?
Yeah, and actually through the CLI that I show, you can totally upload your data in the object storage, and after you link to your notebook or your AI training, and you will just see your data pop in your workspace, and after you can just train.
Okay.
It's straightforward and very easy to do it.
Thank you.
Yeah, and like I'd say, it's actually an idea of Abdel. We copy the data in the CFFS, and so it's very effective when you retrain and when you train your model. It's not because object storage can be quite slow, and like the CFFS is very, very fast. When you train, and there is when you init one time your notebook or your AI training, it stay in cache, and after when you retrain, it stay very fast and very effective. So like that, we decrease the time of model, so it's most cost effective for our customers. So yeah, that's not our idea. It's actually an idea of Abdel, that is one of our customers, and say, okay, you should do that. And we build the solution with our customers to be the more effective and the cheapest for customers.
Okay, another question. I have one for you, Kevin. If I am a startup or a company and I want to work with your solution, what I do?
I call Fanny.
You call
yeah.
Okay, for startups, yes, we can start
Yeah.
call startup program. But for to discuss with your team, to have advice.
To have advice and discussed with us, we have the Discord channel here. We feel free to join the OVH Discord server, and after all the product are linked here, but all the AI team is on this server. So we discuss with our customers like that, and try to improve the product.
Okay,
yeah.
You have a space for discussion with all the developers and data scientists.
Yeah, actually.
You talk about security. I was thinking about Assispo that was just before doing healthcare analytics. And are you certified with healthcare hosting and personal data protection?
Yes, we are. Like I say, we are by default, as all the product is built on top of public cloud, OVH Public Cloud. So we benefit from all the certification, all the security, and so on. So actually, it's not the team that is taking care of it. It's by default. All the security and all the certification, also with for healthcare and so on, are by default on our solution. And we have some big customers that are very concerned about security, like big hospital and some French administration, and they actually use in production AI notebook and AI training, and they can do it because we are on top of public cloud. of OVHcloud Public Cloud.
Thank you, Kevin.